Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Ram 1500 V6. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and about 6 quarts of the correct engine oil. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm, but not hot. This helps the oil drain more easily. Safety first, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection. Now let's get that old oil out. Slide your drain pan under the oil pan directly beneath the drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready, as the oil will start flowing out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. While it's draining, you can prepare for the next step. Once the old oil is drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Next, use your oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Take your new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket, and then screw it on hand tight. Finally, pour about 6 quarts of new 5W20 synthetic oil into the engine's fill port. After adding the new oil, replace the oil cap and start your engine. Let it run for a minute or two, then shut it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.